Hello everyone, Steve Hirsch again here from Steam Pro. Today we're going to talk about the importance of keeping your air duct and ventilation system clean and free of debris and contaminants.
If you're not in the habit of cleaning out your air ducts on a regular basis, you may be exposing yourself and your family to harsh allergens, mold, contaminants, and even bacteria without realizing it. When you hire Steam Pro to clean out your air ducts, you can count on great customer service and our experienced team of professionals. At Steam Pro, we offer the very best duct cleaning services in the Denver area. We will ensure the following systems are properly cleaned and free of allergens: standard vents, cold air returns, supply vents, main trunk line, furnace and its related components inspected. All of these systems are covered under our standard air duct cleaning service. Our process removes the larger pieces of debris using suction and followed up by combing the system and vacuuming twice. Our process is proven to work and we guarantee customer satisfaction. All of our products are biodegradable and safe for use around children and pets. At Steam Pro Inc., we are committed to keeping you and your family healthy. Call or visit us online to book your appointment today.